name is Nan. I'm going to teach you how to balance a fidget spinner on your hands, and it is a trick. It is very easy in your 5 fingers. So I have a fidget spinner. So we are going, for that you need a focusing. You need focusing, and I'm going to, it's very easy, and the last one is the 11th tribes. Okay, so the 11th one we are going to try it now. Okay, so let's try. The 11th one is the balancing here. Okay, let's try to balance the 11th one. 1 minute. Alright, just focusing. See how I balance? It's very easy to balance in your leg, but you need to hold. Some people just leave it like this, and I am done. Alright, so this is the 11th trick of fidget spinner. And this thing is, we are going to start from this finger, okay? So let's spin it. See, just hold it like this, just spin it. See, I'll show you. Mine's like this, just see. Yeah. Scissors. Just focus. Focusing needs everything. So now we will do it this finger. See, now we need to spin the fidget spinner a bit fast. Right? See, just focus. Alright, now doing this finger. So let's first spin it. You should just focus yourself. Just calm down. Don't get angry, or else it falls. Just like if it hits something. See, some people it happens like this. See, it fell out. So just focus. Some like that only they do, some people, because they're very excited about it. Calm down. So that's why you should do that. Okay, next is doing this. This is a bit tough, but you can do it easily. But you should just pull like this. Once like this. Just like this. Whoa. Like that. Then we're going to do with this finger, and it's just like this. See? It's easy, but if you're a left hand, you can do it left hand first. See, this is my left hand, this thing. But I'm not a left hand, but I have learned how to balance in left hand. But sometimes it's a mistake, guys. So it's very easy to do. No worries. It's not dangerous. It's easy. If you learn it, you're easy. So that's why I'm putting this video for you to learn. Alright? You don't be excited. Just focusing. Your guys doing like this. See? Just like this. See? Some people do like just focus. Alright? If you throw it down, it's out. Alright? They will check out you of this, and this will be lost then. Right? It's not a good thing, but it's for only some people got a stress or man. Okay, now I will balance in this fingers. Okay, let's balance it. Okay, sorry, I didn't focus it. Like this, just like this. Just focusing is good. Just spin it like this. I'll spin it now correctly and show you guys. Sorry. Just like this. This. Alright, I'll do it like this. See, I did it. See, just focusing means sorry guys, I didn't show, I kept it like this. Alright, I'll show like this. No. Yeah. Ha! It stopped. Stopped. Now we can do it this way. Let's do it. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. 1 minute, a minute. Oops. Okay. Now we are going to do it. It's very easy. Alright? It's very easy, guys. Don't worry. This is a very good toy but mine has broken a bit like this. So I can use it easily. So the last step is that you should balance only with the thumb. If you balance with this gone, okay? Just spinach. You spin it like this. The thumb should be up and straight like this. It should be just like smooth surface. But nobody can do that. But if a man does like that, he's not a man. Really. So, okay, bye guys. Today is the video, this much only. So if you want to subscribe. And no. Alright, bye. If you want to take a photo of this fidget spinner, you can see it. Just like this. This is this thing that I show you inside yeah. Oh yeah, this is this thing. Yeah, this. And it doesn't have, some fidget spinner doesn't have a bearing. Just like this. See? Just like this. Okay? A smooth surface. Alright, so this much only, guys. If you subscribe, I'll feel happy. Alright, so bye. Nice to meet you today. Bye.